Hi, my name is Jamie. I am a hairstylist. Today we are going to be focusing on Suavecita's Grooming Spray. The look we're going to be doing today is voluminous waves on our beautiful model, Janelle.
Hi guys.
Since we're going to be using heat today, I am going to start off with our Suavecita Heat Protectant Spray. So I don't get too close to the hair, just because if I do, sometimes it looks a little oily. And to brush through her hair, I am using our Suavecita paddle brush. I'm gonna section her hair into 3 sections. I'm using our Suavecita rat tail comb. Just gonna clip this away. I like to use it on dry hair before I'm going to curl the hair because it is like a hairspray. And then I'll use it after I'm done curling the hair as well. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this 3/4 inch barrel curling iron, and I'm not wrapping the hair inside of the barrel, but outside. So I'm wrapping it under, and I'm leaving a good amount of the ends out so that way they're straight. So I'm curling it, but I'm also pulling it down at the ends just so it's not so tight. So I'm taking 1-inch sections, and again, I'm gonna wrap it under. I'm not absolutely too close to the scalp, and then I am leaving out the ends. So the great thing about this product is that if your hair doesn't always hold a curl, this is a great setting spray to help that curl last all day long. So the good thing is you can spray a good amount and it's still not gonna leave your hair crunchy. Do you normally curl your hair?
I do, but I usually use a straightener to curl it, only because I like getting like the very loose curls.
Oh.
I haven't used the 3/4 inch one though. I've only used like the 1 inch. So I want to see how these curls come out.
So I'm gonna spray the grooming spray again at the end, and I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna run through it just to loosen up those curls so that way they're not too tight. So the looser you want them, the more you can run your fingers through. So to achieve these voluminous curls, what I'm doing is I am actually alternating the way the curls go. So one goes under and then one curl will go over and away from the face. So now would you say you know how to use the grooming spray?
Yes, and I think I'm gonna try to incorporate it more, only because when I ran my fingers through it, it didn't feel crunchy or it didn't feel like knotted or anything. So it felt nice.
I'm gonna take some of our Suavecita pomade and just kind of get all the little frizzy hairs that are around and just tame them down.
Is it still easy to comb through with the pomade on it?
Yes. because we didn't add so much, we just kind of tamed down your baby hairs and your flyaways. So you definitely would still be able to comb through it and run your fingers through it. And the great thing is that the grooming spray doesn't wash out the pomade, so they kind of work hand in hand together. Thank you guys for watching. This is the final look that we did on Janelle using our Suavecita Grooming Spray. We hope you guys try it at home, and we will see you all next time.
Bye guys.